computer. Well, hey everyone, and welcome. I am Trixie Overcashier. I have been with Melaleuca for coming up on 22 years that I have been a customer here. It has been just an incredible experience, and I have grown with them over the years and watched how they've grown as a company and how they have evolved. And they used to have a good skincare line and a good cosmetics line. But recently, just within the last couple of years, and you'll hear this as I introduced our guest today, that we have come into an expert with our company that has changed everything. His background, his knowledge, just who he is and what he stands for. So you will notice that the SEI BELLA line has now been all completely revamped and rebranded, which we're really excited about. So what I'm excited about today is introducing a new beauty expert to our group of customers. So Mistelle has been a customer of mine for a while now, and I actually hooked her from talking about a lipstick by SEI BELLA that had it was just a very unique lipstick. And so we started talking about a conversation about it, and she's like, oh yeah, I'll believe it when I see it type of thing. And she got started with our company and absolutely has fallen in love with the products. So I will let her share her story a little bit, but I am bringing her on as our beauty expert in this team. And I'll tell you why. Let me just tell you a little bit about Mistelle. So her name is Mistelle Johnson, and she has been in the beauty industry since 1997. She's worked in every facet of the business. She started out working for Estee Lauder corporations and was trained in retail sales and got a taste for that business. This is where she found her passion for making women feel beautiful and helping diagnose skincare concerns. And from that, then she was entering into an exciting world of the fashion makeup and including print work for Wear magazine and in Miami, and then live runway shows for Chanel. So you're gonna hear a lot of big names in here because she's come from that industry, right? Mistelle has worked behind the scenes for local news stations, and she is also called to launch a global brand called Bobbi Brown. Perhaps you've heard of it. She's done some personal appearances with Bobbi Brown herself, as well as Trish McKevie. I'm going to probably butcher some of these names. She's going to come after me later. And Laura Mercier. And she has worked at events with celebrity makeup artists such as Ross Burton, who was an Emmy nominated for the Oprah show, and also for QVC's Jillian, how do you say that? Is it Baran Rezo, it looks like. So on her list of famous faces, she has touched including fashion giant Anna Wintour. That's correct. She's the editor-in-chief of Vogue magazine. So pretty impressive. And then Mistelle is also in partnership with Neiman Marcus. And I think this is what she had told me mostly about that I was impressed about. She was employed there for 15 years, launched such brands as Marc Jacobs. I'm gonna butcher these names. You know what? Why don't you just say those names?
Yep, Marc Jacobs, Tata Harper, Amorvitsa, yeah, a lot more. But those are some big fashion names right now.
Yes, and so when she was telling me all these things, I'm like, how do you say that? How do you pronounce that? How do you pronounce that? So that's not my real forte. But you know what? When Mistelle and I were talking, what she loves most is really taking care in the skincare and the makeup, the knowledge that she's gained and countless of hours of her aesthetic training and applying just to everyday women, and the ingredient savvy and armed in the insider's perspective. She is ready to offer tips to help us look and feel our best. And so I have asked her to share her knowledge and her talents and to be our beauty expert for ImagineBALANCE, and she has agreed to do that. So we will be posting videos. You will be able to freely ask questions. If you have friends or family members that you want to help refer the SEI BELLA line to, She will be available in there. Now, Melaleuca does have a wonderful resource. They have it in their website, they have videos, they have all of that available as a company. But I think sometimes it's nice to have somebody right in your backyard, right there with you, that could meet with you or personally answer your questions, that is extremely knowledgeable. Just in the times that her and I have conversed about what I thought were kind of silly little things, she's like, oh, no, 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 Trixie, here's how you use that, and here's what you do with that. And I'm like, wow, I had no clue. Now, a little tidbit about me that you may not know, I actually went through finishing school. When I was 18 years old, I went through a finishing school through a modeling agency, and I was going to be this model until I realized, yeah, I don't want to do that. not an industry. There was a lot of backstabbing and hair pulling, and I just didn't want to get into that. But anyway, I learned a ton, and that brought me into my experience as Mrs. Minnesota and all of these other things when you needed to know about makeup applications. So I thought I knew quite a bit, and then had one conversation with her, and I'm like, oh, I guess I have a lot to learn. So anyway, I just wanted to introduce Mistelle to you, and Mistelle, why don't you just share a little bit about what people can expect from your videos and from your expertise?
Yeah, so I am super excited because Melaleuca has become a passion of mine for the last 2 years. I have not tried a product that I didn't love. And so the wellness concept now being married with an impeccable, in my opinion, beauty and skincare concept is like heaven to me. So I get to take both of these two worlds and put them together. I have to tell you, I've ordered all the skincare, every piece. I've got my hands and all of it. I'm putting it on anybody in my household that'll stand still for me for 2 minutes. I'm like, let me try this cleanser on you. So I'm very, very excited. Over the next couple of weeks, as you watch our videos and watch my videos and listen to the tips, I hope you'll have a better understanding of how blessed we are to have access to this product, to the ingredients, to the packaging, to the formulations. It's really amazing. Like Trixie said, what I want to do is give you maybe little tips and tricks, something that you might not pick up on the website. You know, how much product to use? What is my skin type? How do I diagnose my skin type? What products should I order and when should I use them? How should I apply them? You know, my brows, how do I fill in my brows? What colors should I choose when I'm, looking through the catalog to choose eyeshadows? All these little things that I kept hearing over the years, being at Neiman's for 15 years, it seems like the same questions always popped up. How do I get rid of my flaky skin? How do I help my acne? What lipstick color's best? All these little things. So I'd love for anyone to comment in the comment section, questions that they might have. If there's something that you just want to know, something specific or general, just throw it in the comments, because what I'd like to do, if I get comments throughout the week, on Fridays, I'll do like a beauty follow-up Friday and just jump on and call you guys out and ask your question, answer your question, and do like a little bit of follow-up that way. And of course I'll answer you in the thread, but if you're asking it, I feel like other people might be asking it too. So yeah, that's what we want to do. Tips and tricks. It's always nice to know just a little something that can change your entire routine.
Yes. And as we were discussing before we decided to do this, and you were saying, Trixie, you don't even realize what we have with the SEI BELLA line. You're right, because honestly, I was introduced when I was Mrs. Minnesota. I got sponsored and I got a whole prize package from Mary Kay Cosmetics and Skincare. And all free, like a huge duffel bag full. And I found that my skin, I couldn't use it. There was so many things that I would have reactions to. And, some of the cosmetics I could use the lipstick, but I couldn't use anything that actually touched my skin. I couldn't use any of their cleansers. Now I know a lot of people who've had great success with that, but, and my mom is one of them. My mom was a Mary Kay user for years before SEI BELLA came out. And so that was an interesting switch. When mom started switching over, I knew we had something, because when you have somebody who's so loyal to their brand, I was so loyal to my Lancome, but my Cream, my one cream at night was $70 for my face. Now that might shock some of the guys if they're listening to, but ladies, we know what we spend. When we find something that we like, we know what we spend. And in this industry, I know you were saying in Neiman Marcus, you're looking at our catalog and you're going, this price point, this is what people need to understand. This quality straight from the manufacturer, which is rare, right? That's not a thing that most consumers know, is that there's not a lot of manufacturers of skincare and cosmetics in the United States. They all share, right?
Yep. So, there's a couple of labs and there's a couple of manufacturers and big umbrellas like L'Oreal that owns Lancome and Kiehl's and L'Oreal in the drugstore, and they own 5 or 6, 7 brands. Estee Lauder owns like 16 brands. So basically they're all being produced in the same places. They're just put in different packaging based on how much they want to charge you for the product. So, that's what's so amazing about our brand is it marries the 3 things that you want. You want quality in your product, you want an affordable price point, and you want fresh product. So those 3 things are hard to find in the industry. You don't know how long something's been sitting on the shelf. Are there other natural brands? Sure. Are there other brands that, you can get outside of a store? Sure. But a lot of them are being funneled through an MLM type concept. So you're buying it from a person. You're not getting it directly from the manufacturer, in the case of Mary Kay. So the fact that we can order straight from where it's being produced, it hasn't sat on a shelf, it hasn't sat in someone's garage. The product integrity hasn't been compromised at all. And that's a big thing.
We were talking about Amazon.com, and that Amazon.com is not a company. They are a delivery system. And really anybody can sell anything on Amazon. So the efficacy, of the product is not guaranteed when you buy something through Amazon. I personally do not think that you should buy anything that you eat, ingest, put on your skin, no supplements, no protein, none of that should come from Amazon. You should always get that direct from the source. So absolutely. Even retail is the middleman. And I think that's why Melaleuca is so able to offer such a great price for these products.
Yeah, because you've got to remember, like whatever you put on your skin, within the time it takes you to watch one sitcom, 30 minutes, it's absorbed and digested through all of your organ systems. So, it takes 2 minutes for it to absorb, 26 minutes for it to be delivered throughout our whole body. So you want to make sure whatever you're putting on your skin, which is your largest organ, is not been sitting in someone's garage. Again, good, high quality products. And that's what I love about our company. No matter what product it is, whether it's Tough and Tender, whether it is the charcoal mask, when it was created, developed, manufactured, sent out, the number 1 goal was wellness. The number 1 goal. So, for me, that's important. What I'm going to put in my body and on my body, I want somebody to have thought about what is that doing to my body. And not only that, but what it's going to do for your body. Oh my goodness, just that vitamin C exfoliator. I won't get into product right now because it'll be a 2-hour video. That's what the short
for your videos.
The short little snippet videos every week are going to be about. But oh my gosh, some of the products, and they're very advanced technology. The masks they are not just here's your cleanser, here's your toner, and put this moisturizer on. We've got some products that we need to dive deep into how to use them, when to use them, and why you're using them. And that vitamin C exfoliating mask is one of them. Just there's so much. You can really transform your skin with this line. So that's why I'm just excited.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Mistelle. We're super excited for what this is bringing to Imagine Balance as a group and as an entity. And we just appreciate you sharing it all with us and allowing us to tap into all of that knowledge and expertise that you do have. So thank you, Mistelle Johnson, for being our beauty expert.
See you guys on Tuesday.
All right, sounds great. Thanks for being with us, you guys.